Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Ginny. Today I'm going to share with you how I made this fun easel card for the holiday catalog kickoff. Let me set this aside and I'll show you how we got started. Okay, the first thing you're going to need is a piece of cardstock that measures 4 1/4 by 11. And I am going to set this cardstock along the top of my ruler with the long side touching. And taking my score tool, I am going to score at the 2 3/4 inch mark and the 5 1/2 inch mark. And then I can set my scoreboard to the side. You're going to want your bone folder for this so that you can make nice sharp score lines. I'm going to fold first on the top piece, and I'm going to fold that away from me, and then I'm going to fold again towards me on that second line, and that gives me this kind of a Z fold. Now that I have my Z-fold, I am going to take my piece of cardstock that measures 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. It's a full card front, and I am going to take my adhesive. I happen to be using the liquid adhesive for this, but you can also use your tear and tape if you prefer. I'm going to put a fair amount of adhesive on there because I want this to fit tight and be durable, and then I'm going to line up the top edges and the sides and allow that to dry. Okay, once this is dry, you're going to see the card looks like this. You've got your front panel here and that Z fold that you created on that 11-inch length of cardstock. And at this point I am ready to decorate. Now the trick to an easel card is to have something here on the first inch that is going to be raised up so that it'll hold it. But your easel card will fold flat and easily go into an envelope for mailing. So let me set this aside and show you the original again. This is done with our Dashing Along Hostess Designer Series paper for the September promotion and our Dashing Deer stamp set that you can find in the holiday catalog. And of course, what's a card without a sentiment enclosed on the inside? If you'd like any of these products, feel free to stop by my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Ginny. Thanks for joining me.